how to change the Relumino outline thickness on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, scroll down and you will see Relumino outline is here. Click on Relumino outline. Make sure turn on Relumino outline button. After turn on Relumino outline button, you will see outline thickness is here. If you want to change outline thickness, so you will change outline thickness from here. So after change outline thickness, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the Relumino outline thickness on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.